We have around 3,000 assets in eMaint. Some of our biggest machines or assets that I can think of are definitely our CT machines, X-ray, MRI machines, and then just all the auxiliary equipment or add-on equipment that goes with that. We kind of track every single piece of thing that goes, that's managed by radiology. And we have some stuff that we track for the university side of Hopkins as well. So everything radiology, all those radiology pieces you can think of, it's in eMaint. You can put the contract information in there. We have the contact information there for each vendor, all of our end users at this point. We have our site information in there, our asset type information. We had one vendor that we recently did a look into in terms of the downtime, and we've been able to track about 97.2% uptime and compare that to the higher uptime percentage in the vendor's contract. So it's about holding them accountable, and we were able to pull those metrics with eMaint through the downtime tracking. So that's a really important metric to leadership and to me as well. We've been able to track about over 2,000 hours of uptime on a quarterly basis, but it's nice to know that eMaint kind of goes back and checks and okay, so we've had around 2,000 hours of uptime, and the vendor, according to the percentage they gave, 2,000 hours and up would be like a green light.